Okay, welcome everybody. We're doing Unit Test 5 Prep. We're going to be doing Coordinate Geometry A Level 4. So let's take a look at this problem here. It says Sandra decided to eat more fruits and vegetables. She decided to eat 2 to 5 servings of fruit every day. So fruit between 2 and 5. So it says write this as an inequality in terms of f. So it's going to be 2 is less than or equal to f is less than or equal to 5. She also decided to eat 3 to 7 servings of vegetables. So to write that as an inequality, it's going to be 3 is less than or equal to v is less than or equal to 7. Finally, she decided the total servings of fruit and vegetables should be between 9 and 12. So to write this inequality, it's going to be 9 is less than or equal to f plus v is less than or equal to 12. Now we're going to plot all 3 of these inequalities. So the first one, if f, this will be fruits right here. If f is between 2 and 5, then we're going to have a line straight up from 2 and a line straight up from 5. If vegetables is between 3 and 7, we're going to have a line straight across from 3 and a line straight across from 7. What we've got here is a rectangle that represents the good zone so far. Next, if f plus v has to be greater than or equal to 9 and less than or equal to 12, then we're going to have a line at 9 and a line at 12. So in other words, if the fruit is 0, then the vegetables can be 9. And if the vegetables are 0, then the fruits can be 9. So when we make that point, okay, this is the line that represents them adding up to 9. Now there's going to be another one where they add up to 12. So we can make points at 0, 12 and 12, 0. And when we do that, we've got our other inequality line. So the sweet spot is going to be this area here, which is bounded by all of the inequalities. So this is the only area that is inside all of the ranges. Okay, so the polygon type will be a triangle. The area is going to be, well, this is 3 because it's from 2 to 5, and this is 3 because it's from 4 to 7. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 divided by 2 is 4 and 1/2, or 4.5. Next, we're going to plot everything. So on Monday, her fruits were 3 and her vegetables were 5. So there's Monday. On Tuesday, her fruits were 1 and her vegetables were 5. So there's Tuesday. On Wednesday, her fruits were 3 and her vegetables were, her fruits were 2 and her vegetables were 3. On Thursday, her fruits were 4 and her vegetables were 6. So finally, a day in the zone. So that's TH right there at 4, 6. And on Friday, 3 and 2. So the only good day was Thursday. Now we'll do the totals. So 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13. And if you want to find the average, what you do is you divide by the number of terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 divided by 5 is 2.6. What you can do is you can double the number and move it over to divide by 5. Okay, same thing with the vegetables. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 6 is 19, plus 2 is 21. Let's check that again. 10, 13, 19, 21. So again, to divide by 5, you multiply by 2 and move the decimal over. So 21 times 2 is 42, so therefore 4.2 is your average. So our average is going to be 2.6 fruits, which is about right here, and 4.2 vegetables, which is about right here. So as you can see, the average is a little bit low to be in the sweet spot. So which days was she in the sweet spot? The only day she was in the sweet spot was Thursday. Complete the total and average. Was her average in the sweet spot? No, it was not. She was a little bit light. She should have had a little bit more vegetables, a little bit more fruit. She was kind of low on both of them. And that's the end of it. So, thank you very much for watching along. I know I'm going kind of fast. Rewind if you need to, and hopefully you'll get it with a couple of repetitions. Thank you.